Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 13, that is the conditional. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, conditional sentences consist of main clause, a conditional clause introduced by a connector. So, conditional sentences में क्या होता है? Main clause होता है, जो conditional clause introduce होता है connector से. For example, I will say at home. इफ क्या है आपका कनेक्टर है, ये कनेक्ट कर रहा है. इट कंटिन्यूज टू रेन, मैं घर पे रहूंगा अगर इफ बारिश होती रहेगी. तो दिस इज योर मेन क्लॉज, दिस इज योर कंडीशनल क्लॉज एंड दिस इज योर कनेक्टर. इट्स लाइक द कंजक्शन. सो इफ क्या आपका कनेक्टर है, इट इट कंटिन्यूज टू रेन, आई विल स्टे एट होम क्या आपका मेन क्लॉज है. नाउ कंडीशनल क्लॉजेस क्या है? कंडीशनल क्लॉजेस आर अ टाइप ऑफ एडवर्बियल क्लॉज. ये एक तरीके के एडवर्बियल क्लॉज होते हैं टाइप के. द कंजक्शंस इफ, as long as, on, condition, that, provided that, providing that, and unless provide include conditional clauses. में क्या included होता है आपके? Conditional clauses included होते हैं. Sentences containing conditional clauses are called conditional sentences. Sentences जिनमें conditional clauses होते हैं उन्हें हम conditional sentences कहते हैं. There are three main types of conditional sentences. तीन main type के conditional sentences होते हैं. First, conditional. We use first conditional sentence to talk about something that might happen, जो चीज हो सकती है, और to show an event that is likely to happen, event show करने के लिए जो होने वाला है, और to warn people या किसी को warn करने के लिए. The first conditional clause is usually in the present tense. जो first conditional clause होता है वो किस में होता है? Present tense में होता है. The main clause may be in the future tense, और जो main clause होता है वो future tense में होता है. For example, if I come home late, present time में, mother will be very angry with me. ये क्या हो गया? Simple future tense में होगा कि mother गुस्सा हो जाएंगे फिर मुझसे. The simple present tense is sometimes used in main clause. Simple present tense क्या होता है? कभी कभी main clause में use होता है for stating facts like likelihood and probabilities. For example, plants die if you do not water them. ये क्या है? Plants die क्या होता है? Present tense में, अगर आप वाटर नहीं करोगे उनको तो. So read the following first conditional sentences. ये condition हो गई ना इसकी. Now here are some sentences. If we are early, we will definitely get tickets. ये भी conditional आ गया. If आ गया ना. I will call you if I manage to get tickets. If क्या आपका connector है. Now everything should be alright provided we keep calm. You may stay here as long as you keep quiet. Unless we are early, we will not get tickets. If you meet Priya, please pass on the message to her. Now, the main clause can also have an imperative verb. एक main clause में भी imperative verb हो सकती है. Like, if you see Priya, tell her the good news. अगर आपको प्रिया दिखे, उसे good news बता देना. If anyone proposes, write down their number. Conditional clauses can come before or after the main clause. ये before और after आ सकते हैं main clause के. For example, contact us if you need any assistance. If you need any assistance, contact us. Now, second conditional. The second conditional is used when we want to talk about possible or but unlikely situations in future. कब use होता है? जब हम बात कर रहे जाते हैं किसी possible या फिर unlikely situations के बारे में for future में. If you were a millionaire, what would you do with your money? अगर आप millionaire होंगे तो आप क्या करोगे अपने money से? To make a second conditional sentence, we use and if clause with a past tense sentence verb. हम if clause को use करते हैं past tense verb से, and main clause that contains would plus infinitive. For example, if I won the lottery, simple past tense है, I would buy my family a new car. ठीक है, would plus infinitive आ गया, would और infinitive आ गया आपका. Now read the following second conditional sentences. If my job were better paid, I would take many more interesting holidays. But it is poorly paid, so I cannot take interesting holidays. Conditional आ गई, अभी second condition आ गई यहाँ पे. They would say I have save a lot of money if they do not gamble. Gamble means जुआ. So, but they do gamble. ये second condition है. If I were a woman, I would wear my long hair, but I'm not a woman. So we would not afford the apartment if my parents did not support for us financially, but they do support us, so we can afford it. ये क्या आपकी second conditional clause है. Now you would feel better if you got more sleep, but you don't get much sleep. So we might get there in time if we ran, but we are not running. It would be worth learning to drive if I could afford a car, but I cannot afford a car now. In an unreal condition sentence, in an unreal conditional sentence about the present, we can use the helping verb. हम helping verb को use कर सकते हैं would, could, might in the main clause, and we use simple past tense in the if clause. हम simple past tense को if clause में use करते हैं. The verb in the if clause can refer to the present or the future depending on whether it expresses a state or an action. जो verb होता है आपका भी if clause में refer करता है present और the future से depend करता हो किसमें whether वो express कर रहा है state को या फिर एक action को. I would tell her name if I knew it. ये क्या state है जो refer कर रहा है present से. You would look nicer if you cut your hair shorter. ये क्या action refer कर रहा है आपके future से. Now third conditional. We use third conditional sentence to talk about something that did not happen in the past. हम इनको जब यूज करते हैं कि उन चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, उन चीजों से रिलेटेड यूज करते हैं जो चीज होने हुई नहीं है पास में बट शुड हैव. We imagine the opposite situation. How opposite situation को imagine करते हैं when we use the third conditional. So we can say that the third conditional is used to show impossible event. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हम impossible events को show करने के लिए third conditional को use कर सकते हैं. That can be carried but because they are past event जो हम कर सकते थे but क्योंकि वो past events है वो opportunity आ चुकी है. The opportunity for accomplishing them is no longer possible. Now, in the third conditional, the if clause is in the past perfect so had past participle. जो if clause होता है आपका the past perfect में उसमें क्या होता है had plus participle लगता है participle लगता है. The main clause usually has would. जो main clause होता है उसमें would होता है या फिर could होता है या फिर might plus have plus past participle. For example, if I had stayed, ये क्या हो गया आपका past perfect tense हो गया. I would have been school champion. So ये क्या हो गया would plus have plus past participle. अगर मैं रुकता तो मैं school champion होता. ये क्या हो गया आपका third conditional हो गया कि ऐसा अगर past में हो गया होता तो ये situation होती. Now with the following third conditional sentences. He might have died if he had remained asleep in the snow. But the fact is he woke up so he did not die. वो उठ गया था वो इसलिए नहीं की death हुई. If I would not have put on so much weight if I had stuck to a healthy diet. But the fact is, I ate unhealthy food and so I put on weight. If you had booked the tickets early, you would have been able to see the performance. If you hadn't come to see us, my parents would have been very disappointed. The grapes would have ripened more quickly if there had been more fun. And the third conditional sentence, the verb in the main clause is one of the modal auxiliary. जो verb होता है आपके main clause में वो एक तरीके का modal auxiliary होता है like would, might, could plus have plus past participle and the form of the verb in the if clause is the same as the past perfect. Like the bank would have contacted me if there had been a problem with my क्रेडिट कार्ड. वो कांटेक्ट कर लेता बैंक अगर मेरे क्रेडिट कार्ड में प्रॉब्लम होती. आई कुड हैव विन द समिट इफ आई हैड कंजर्व माय एनर्जी बेटर. मैं समिट तक पहुंच जाता अगर मैंने अपनी एनर्जी को अच्छे से कंजर्व किया होता. द थर्ड माइट हैव डोंट इफ यू हैड नॉट पुल्ड हर आउट. Now here is the remembering points. There are other types of sentence that seems like conditional sentences. बहुत टाइप के sentences होते हैं जो conditional sentences की तरह लगता है but जो not belongs to any of three conditional forms. वो तीनों conditional forms से कभी कभी belong नहीं करते. In this chapter we will find that in many cases they are not true conditional. तो कभी कभी true conditionals नहीं है because it is being used like when or whenever. It को use हो रहा है when or whenever की तरह. Like for example, I usually go to the gym in the morning. If otherwise goes to, if you away whenever I have no other plans. I always went jogging if the weather was white, अगर weather fine होता है तो. Similarly, unless can be used like except when. Like I go to gym in the evening unless I have other plans except when आ गया ना कि जब मेरे पास और कोई plans नहीं होते. I always went jogging unless the weather was bad except when. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.